Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you could easily fix the error 1141 in Rosetta Stone. To begin, what you want to do, you want to change first the date or the time. So go to your browser, go to your search bar and type settings. Click on the settings to open. Here under time and language, under time and date, select set the time automatically. Set the date and the time manually. And here you want to change the time by adding or reducing an hour. This is only for now. As a next step, you want to change the country to the time zone. So let's change. We will keep the same, but we will change to Amsterdam or Berlin. Next step, go back to your search bar and type services. Click on the services to open. Click on the letter R in your keyboard to locate Rosetta Stone Diamond. So here it is. Double click on it. Select Automatic, Start, click Apply, and click OK. Now you can go ahead and click on your Rosetta Stone and it should open up for you and it should work for you. Once you have opened Rosetta Stone, it should not show you the error again. We will go back and correct the time later, but we will just make sure that Rosetta Stone is working for us. So we'll just click. Now Rosetta Stone is working, so we're gonna exit Rosetta Stone accordingly. We'll just close it. And we will go back to settings and we will tick set the time automatically. And we're going to select back our location. We'll just close it. We'll close again services and we'll double click on Rosetta Stone. And now it should be fully functional without issues. As you can see, it's fully functional. So we can just exit and close it if you're not going to use. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.